Hello, I'm Kevin Mayer with McGuire Manufacturing at ASPE 2024 in Columbus, Ohio. What we're displaying here is some of our newer products, specialty finish. We've come out with 9 new finish types. These are for hospitality type jobs. These will be available in the next 2 to 3 months. We also have our ICV Defender over here that I'd like to show you guys as well. But for those of you that are not familiar with McGuire Manufacturing, we manufacture commercial plumbing fixture trim. So we take water to the fixture and away from the fixture. Most contractors are familiar with McGuire. We're generally the basis of design on specifications. One thing that we're trying to do here at the show is educate everybody that McGuire has a lot of different products. We've been known for our high quality specification products, but we also have products that can meet more competitive situations or value engineering. So I think generally when a contractor, distributor, engineer thinks of McGuire, they think about our heavy duty type products, but we have products that are more competitive. So I think that we're trying to educate the industry that McGuire is more things to more people. And then if we can, I'll love to show you the other products. All right, so what we're displaying here is McGuire's ICV Defender. This is a integral check valve. So we have an angle stop that has a integral check built into it. What this product does is it prevents cross flow and reverse flow, and that's at the fixture. So it's protecting the fixture and it's protecting the user of the fixture. Here you can see this is kind of a schematic of that product. So we have our valve body, we have the check here, and then we have the nut and the handle. So what that does, as soon as this product loses, or as soon as the system loses pressure, that check is going to activate and it's going to seal off the supply and prevent backflow or crossflow from occurring. And this is a new product we've had for about 3 years now. It's patented and it is certified to IAPMO's ASME A112 18.3 standard. So this product has been very successful, and especially for situations with crossflow. We have a lot of facilities that are dealing with failed checks at the thermostatic mixing valve and at the faucet, and the fix for that is installing a McGuire ICV Defender, and that's going to address that crossflow situation.